Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mix balsamic vinegar with brown sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly until sugar has dissolved. Bring to a boil, reduce heat to low, and simmer until glaze is reduced by half, about 20 minutes. Glaze should coat the back of a spoon. Let cool and pour into a jar with a lid. Store in refrigerator.
Take our lead.
Balsamic vinegar substitute. For every 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, substitute 1 tablespoon cider vinegar or red wine vinegar plus 1/2 teaspoon. For a DIY balsamic vinegar glaze, in a small saucepan, $17. Target. Simmer 2 cups balsamic vinegar with 1/2 cup of brown sugar over medium heat. Stir constantly until sugar is dissolved and the sauce is reduced by half. The 18th of September 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Trader Joe's balsamic glaze is a mixture of a thick, natural grape syrup, called grape must, and balsamic vinegar, and it tastes exactly like what you'd expect a vinegar-infused grape syrup would taste like. 23 May 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Balsamic vinegar is a safe food additive that contains no fat and very little natural sugar. It's been proven effective to lower cholesterol and stabilize blood pressure. Some research suggests it can also work as an appetite suppressant, and it contains strains of probiotic bacteria. 4 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Combine 5 parts vinegar and 1 part sugar in a pan. Then, cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until the sugar dissolves completely. For the best flavor and color match, use a dark, aged vinegar, like Chinese black vinegar or rice vinegar. Allow your substitute to cool completely before using it in your recipe. 29 October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.